Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a tutorial, a Valentine's Day tutorial on this really simple, kind of soft, berry toned eye makeup look. If you were to ask me a couple years ago what look I would wear for Valentine's Day, I would probably tell you something dramatic, something like a cut crease or really defined halo eye. But nowadays I kind of have been going or leaning towards more soft, really simple eye makeup looks, so I thought I would make a tutorial on a look that I would wear for this coming Valentine's Day. So if you guys want to learn how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is prime my eyelids. Today I'm going to be using my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion in Caffeine. For this look today, I'm just going to be using one palette. This is the ColourPop Strawberry Shake palette. As you can see, it's very monochromatic, so it was like the perfect palette to create this look. First shade I'm going to use is this shade right here called Woke. I'm taking this on a fluffy crease brush and going to be applying this to the crease, blending this up to the brow bone. So I'm going to use this shade called My Milkshake. I am taking this on a ColourPop E19. It's kind of like a smaller tapered blending brush. It's going to look like I'm going to define it to do a cut crease, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just doing that, and then I'm going to be blending that out later on to soften it up. I just wanted to use this brush to kind of create more definition. So I'm just bringing this into the crease. So I'm going to take that fluffy brush that we previously used, and I'm going to go back in with that Woke shade. And I'm going to be blending around the edges to soften this up because I don't want it super defined. We just kind of want it to be more of like a soft look. I'm going to go in with this shade called Daiquiri, and this is going to go into the outer V. It's going to bring a little bit of definition to the outer V and add a little bit of darkness. I usually like to add one type of dark color in my looks, especially even when I'm doing like a simple eye like this. So I'm going to take this shade called Shake It Up. This color is going to go right next to the Daiquiri color. I kind of found that if I just placed the lid color right next to Daiquiri, it didn't look as blended. This kind of helps blend the two shades together. So I'm just going to place this right next to it. I'm not bringing this all the way in. It's just there to help blend the lid color together. Now, finally, for the lid color, I'm going to use this shade called Whipped. I'm just going to apply this using my fingers. I find that the shimmery shades from ColourPop work best when I just use my fingers instead of a brush. For lashes, I'm going to do a little bit more dramatic. These are from ColourPop. This is in the style called Baddie. For foundation today, I'm actually going to use something different and new that I have only tried once before because I just recently got this in the mail. This is the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Pro Filt'r foundation, and I'm using the shade in 310. I've also already primed my face. Today I used the Fenty Beauty Soft Silk Pro Filt'r Hydrating Primer. For under eyes, I'm going to color correct first. Today I'm going to use my favorite LA Girl Pro Conceal in Peach. For concealer, I'm going to go in with my Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Concealer in the shade 20 Medium Tan. So I'm not gonna necessarily highlight the rest of my face. What I like to do is after I blend out my under eye concealer, I just go in with the same beauty blender and kind of just highlight the parts of my face with like the leftover product on the sponge itself. I'm gonna lightly bake with my Mercier translucent powder. For bronzing and contouring today, I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty stalk'r bronzer in Caramel Cutie. For blush, I'm going to use this Galifornia blush from Benefit. Kind of is more corally with some gold sparkles in it. It kind of reminds me of NARS Orgasm. So this is what I'm going to be applying to my cheeks today. For highlight, I'm using this highlight from Smashbox and the Vlada collab. Unfortunately, I don't know the name of it. They don't have an actual name. It's just like a sticker that I tried to peel it off to see if there was anything underneath. But there's nothing. So I'm using this shade right here. It looks kind of like a rose gold once it's swatched. And I'm just applying this using my Anastasia 823 brush. I wanted to go for something not as sparkly or glittery, just kind of like a really soft, nice highlight. Actually going to apply some shadows on the lower lash line. I haven't done that for a while just because I feel like my eyes just look bigger when I don't apply any eyeshadow on the lower lash line, but today I'm going to do that. But I'm going to focus more on like the softer pinks. So I'm going to go in with that woke shade that we used in our crease. I'm gonna take my milkshake and apply that to the lower lash line as well. This will probably be the darkest color that I'll use on my lower lash line. Then to brighten up the eyes a little bit more, I'm gonna go in with a nudish white eyeliner and apply that to my waterline. I'm gonna pop a little bit of an inner corner highlight. I'm gonna use the shade called Delish. I'm gonna go for a more pink lip to kind of keep with the theme. I usually don't do pink lips. I usually go for a nude, but I'm gonna go for a pink glossy lip. So I'm gonna first line my lips. This is the NYX Professional Makeup lip liner in Alluring. For my lip shade, I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop Luxe Velvet Liquid Lip. These are new, super comfortable. Doesn't feel like you're wearing any lipstick at all. This is in the shade called Buttercup. Then for my gloss, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Metallic Lip Gloss in Rose. I don't think I've ever used this before because it's pretty clean, so. So this completes the Valentine's Day look that I'm probably going to be wearing this coming Friday. Just a really monochromatic berry tone look with a pair of pink lips that I usually don't wear. Usually go for nude, but this time we changed it up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look and tutorial. Let me know your thoughts down below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.